Looking to make your next event or photo shoot unforgettable? Whether it's a wedding, birthday, corporate event, or just a fun gathering, a stunning photo backdrop can set the stage for memories that last forever. Imagine your guests striking a pose in front of a backdrop so beautiful, it feels like stepping into another world. Intrigued? Stay tuned as I reveal creative and unique photo backdrop ideas that will take your event to the next level. How to incorporate seasonal elements into a photo backdrop. Seasonal details can make your photo backdrop feel timely and special. For a spring event, incorporate fresh flowers, pastel colors, or floral garlands. Summer backdrops might feature tropical leaves, bright colors, or beach-inspired elements. In the fall, use autumn leaves, pumpkins, or rich earthy tones. Winter backdrops can include snowflakes, evergreen branches, and twinkling lights to create a cozy, festive atmosphere. Aligning your backdrop with the season adds an extra layer of charm to your event. Love the idea of seasonal backdrops? Check the description for links to similar videos. How to use lighting to enhance a photo backdrop? Lighting can elevate the look of any photo backdrop, making it more dynamic and eye-catching. String lights or fairy lights are a classic choice, creating a warm and magical ambiance. Neon signs with custom phrases like cheers or love add a modern and edgy vibe. Uplighting or spotlighting can highlight specific elements of your backdrop, drawing attention to its key features. Whether you're using natural light or artificial options, thoughtful lighting can ensure your backdrop looks stunning in every photo. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating visually stunning setups for your events. What are some DIY photo backdrop ideas? Creating your own photo backdrop can be a fun and cost-effective project. Use a simple white sheet or canvas as a base and embellish it with fairy lights or paper flowers for a whimsical touch. Wooden palettes can be transformed into a rustic backdrop by adding greenery, fabric drapes, or vintage signs. For a bold and colorful option, hang streamers, ribbons, or balloons in your event's color scheme. These DIY ideas allow you to unleash your creativity and make something unique and personal for your event. Looking for step-by-step tutorials? Check the description for DIY playlists and guides. What are the most popular types of photo backdrops? Photo backdrops have become essential for events and photo shoots, offering endless creative possibilities. Floral backdrops remain a top choice, combining natural beauty and vibrant colors for a stunning visual impact. Sequin backdrops add glamour and sparkle, perfect for parties or weddings where you want a touch of elegance. Another popular option is geometric or minimalistic backdrops, often made of metallic frames or neutral colors, creating a modern and clean aesthetic. These styles provide versatility, making them suitable for various themes and events. Loving these ideas? Hit the like button and share this video with your event planning friends. How to customize a photo backdrop to match your event theme. A customized photo backdrop ensures it fits seamlessly into your event. For a tropical theme, think lush greenery, palm leaves, and vibrant colors. A vintage-inspired event might include lace curtains, antique frames, or sepia-toned elements. For a fun and playful vibe, consider balloon garlands, colorful props, or a chalkboard-style backdrop with custom illustrations. Personal touches like monograms, event names, or custom designs make your backdrop not only beautiful, but also meaningful and memorable for your guests. Got a theme idea? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're customizing your backdrop. What are the finishing touches for a perfect photo backdrop? The final details make all the difference in creating a polished photo backdrop. Add layers with props like chairs, benches, or decorative stands to give depth to your setup. Incorporate textures such as velvet curtains, silk fabrics, or faux fur rugs to make the backdrop more visually interesting. Personalized signage or themed props can enhance the interactivity of your backdrop, encouraging guests to take creative photos. Testing the setup beforehand ensures it's photo-ready from every angle and fits seamlessly with the rest of your decor. Want to know where to get these finishing touches? Check the description for product links and recommendations. A photo backdrop is more than just a decoration. It's a way to bring people together, capture special moments, and create lasting memories. Whether you go for a timeless floral wall, a glittering sequin setup, or a fun DIY project, the right backdrop can transform your event and make it truly unforgettable. With the ideas and tips we've shared today, you're ready to create a backdrop that's as unique and beautiful as your event itself. So, let's get started and make your vision come to life. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more creative event ideas. Let's make every moment picture perfect together.